Welcome to the Pennywise Prodigy show, where savvy solutions are here to glow. Get ready for clever hacks to embrace and budget-friendly brilliance to chase. We've got tips and tricks for every day. From DIY crafts, there's no better way to save your coins and make life fun. Pennywise Prodigy, we're number one.
Hey there, savvy savers and crafty creators. Welcome to the first episode of the Pennywise Prodigy show. I am your hostess, Penny Saver. This is an AI guided lifestyle channel. Basically, ChatGPT tells me what to do and then I do it, but because ChatGPT sucks to say all the time, I've created my own AI counterpart named Plink. And Plink is in development, and we're gonna get him square soon enough. You'll be able to see him. He'll fly around and have his tips on screen. Basically, AI came up with the whole thing. It named the show the song that you probably hate. AI sings it, composed it. I had no part in it really besides say, hey, make a song about a budget-friendly YouTube channel, and that's what it spit out. No, wait, that's not fair. It spit out a lot of terrible ones too. It spit out some awful ones. The amount of money that I have saved my first goal, which is $500, which is going to get me to New Haven, Connecticut, so that I can see the Steve Wilkos show live. Oh, goal number 2, anime gear shoes. They're like $100. They look a little sketchy, but I'm gonna buy them. If you've ever thought about getting them and you were like, I'm gonna save up from the spinach and the zucchini and the tomatoes that I eat and buy a pair and then give you just a real review. Goal number 3. I want to be a snow bunny. I want to go snowboarding. I want to go skiing. I've never been in snow that I couldn't see through. So those are my 3 goals, and let's start the party. So you want to start with some cardboard. You put that down, you throw some dirt on top of that, and then you it's genuinely that easy. I decided to kick up the difficulty by assembling my raised garden bed in a wedding dress, which was a complete pain in the butt. I'm just gonna be perfectly honest. But I got it together. It looks amazing. My fig tray is like, what?
Come on.